Part 3 of 3. Cleaning out chicken pen. Floor is empty. In part 2, we were spreading it, the manure. And now, in part 3, well, in part 1, we cleaned it out. Now in part 3, we put down the straw. Chickens like being comfy. We didn't clean out the whole pen, but
oh no. There we go.
But this part was very wet and moist because the chicken water feeders, they leak sometimes. So we got Zach over here spreading it while I just stand back and use the camera. Yeah, our heat lamp here is kind of broken. We need to fix that. There might be a video on that, might not. You could just fix it and, you know.
Basically, you just buy it, take the cover off, put the cover on the new one, and put the bulb in. Wait, did you say the bulb melted if you put it all the way in or something?
No.
No? What bulb? I think John was talking about something melting when you put the bulb over there. Anyway.
Put some more in here. Put some more, like, right here. That's another heater, but it doesn't get very hot.
It just keeps them warm enough that they don't freeze.
Otherwise, you would have frozen chicken.
No. You stay over there.
Put somewhere I'm
in the
standing.
spot where I need to put stuff.
Okay, I think that's good. Zach, go around and open up the door. Oh wait, yeah, let's put this block here. That's what the water feeders sit on. There's also another one, which we'll get.
That was the short one, right?
Yeah, I think so. Go open the door.
Hey, you might want to get out of there.
Yeah. That door over there in the corner. Let's the birds in and out. There it is. It's open. Now we wait for the first. There's the first bird. Now we need to put the water feeders in here. Yeah.
No, actually they're not.
They probably leaked out.
They are empty.
And this is how we water the chickens. Just do one at a time.
I wasn't doing it anymore.
Now birds are in here.
So many birds. There we go. Good enough.
Let's go get the second one.